Easy Cellar gives you the long-forgotten trick that has already aided our forefathers to make it through the famines, economic situations, wars, dry spells, diseases, and also anything else that life tossed at them. Easy Cellar program will also help your cherished ones whenever America crumbles into the ground. The author has shared 3 beneficial lessons which will certainly see to it your children. Just how does Easy Cellar works for you? The main function of Easy Cellar program prepares you to endure any circumstance whatsoever, wars, natural calamities, scarcity, or more. Easy Cellar will educate you how you can grow seeds, grow and also collect along with the shop. Our fathers and also grandfathers were probably the last generations to practice fundamental points like building the root cellar or make pemmican. Our ancestors laid the bricks as well as constructed the most solid structure of the world. We will fail to remember irreversibly. But with the help of this book, you will remember all the valid information. What can you learn from Easy Cellar? Easy Cellar is an extensive book, abundant with comprehensive chapters that paid equal attention to both basic ideas as well as even more complicated, brilliant survival strategies alike. You will certainly learn how Native American built below-ground storm shelters, below-ground power plant as well as weatherproof spaces, to protect your household as well as your loved ones in case of a significant calamity. You will certainly learn ways to make use of these configurations to easily stockpile your food and also water all throughout the year, much like our ancestors did in those good, old days when there was no fridge. By discovering the survival methods utilized by old male, you will be covered for all type of events. Actually, you will certainly never ever have to shell out money on modern-day tools and also costly food preparation tools once again. The useful lessons shared by Davis in the book are designed to assist you guarantee your youngsters stay healthy and also well-fed even when dry spell or economic crisis comes calling. You will find out resilient foods that would certainly fit flawlessly among your food gets. Click the link below in video description to learn more.